Hello everybody, and in this video we're gonna learn about the AND, OR and NOT operators. Okay, so let me just directly show you the code without wasting our time. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the where clause. Okay, now these operators that we will be using here are normally used or mainly used with the where clause. So alright, the AND, OR and NOT. Okay, let me just show you how these operators work. So first I have to select all the columns to see the data. All right, I have to see the conditions here. Okay, now what do we want here? To select the Aruba. Okay, so select the name, country, and the continent from country where. Now I'm about to use these operators. So there is a condition that continent must be Asia and region. Okay, we're going with the region must be Middle East. Alright, so this is our condition that select only the name in the continent from my country table where the continent is Asia and the region in Middle East. Okay, so this will only work, okay, this will only show me the value if both of my conditions are true. So let me just try this out. Now let me just show you the region as well. Now you can see that it is only selecting the values where the continent is Asia and the middle and the region is Middle East. Okay, so if I just put any wrong value here, just any wrong value, okay, it is just a wrong value. Okay, so in the AND operator it will only display you the data if both of the conditions are true, and we know here that our region condition won't be true. So let me just write this thing and it will search you out for, and now you can see it won't show you the data because this condition is not true. We don't have any region like the Europe. Alright, so this is how it works. Now let me just try the OR condition. Or continent must be, okay, Europe. Alright, so this will work fine. Here is the condition that show me the countries where their continent is whether the Asia or the Europe. Okay, let me just run this course. Now you can see that it is only showing me the countries, okay, with the continent Asia and the Europe. Alright, but if we just write the AND here, it will give you no data because there is a reason that no continent no country can have the two continents. So whether it could be the Asia or the Europe, but can't be the both. Alright, so this is how it works. And okay, now let me just try our last operator, which is NOT. Okay, so what you need to do here is, okay, so what is this condition? This is the kind of condition that I want to have the countries whose continent is not the Asia. So it is only showing me the countries whose continent is not Asia. All right, so this is how it works. Okay, now we have learned all about these three operators. Now let me just combine these operators and let's see how it does work. Okay, well, the first condition is that where the continent must not be the Asia, and the second condition we are using here, and not region. So let's just run this code, and now you can see that it is only showing me the continent or the countries where the continent is not Asia. You cannot okay, there is no value of Asia here. Okay, and the region must not be the the Middle East. Okay, so this is how you can combine these operators. And one more, let me just give you one more example here. Select or okay, so this is the last scenario that I will be giving you here. That in this scenario what I have done here, that I have used I have combined all these operators, not all and OR operators together. So what I want from this condition here, that okay, show me the country where their continent is only Africa and they belong to the region, whether the Central Africa or the Western Africa. Okay, so this is how it works, and it will only give you the countries which belongs to the Europe, which belongs to the Africa, and in region they could belong to the, you know, the Central Africa or the Western Africa, okay, not the Eastern Africa, which we haven't, you know, given in the condition. So it will only show you the countries which belong to the Africa, but in region wide it will only show you the two regions of the Africa, whether the Central or the Western Africa. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.